Let's examine the project management maturity model as it relates to executive and organizational support, as well as the maturity of practices. The project management maturity model has 5 phases, starting with embryonic, executive management acceptance, line management acceptance, growth, and maturity. Organizations can be in any of the 5 phases. However, in order to achieve a track record of successful projects, they must reach the highest of the phases, growth and maturity. Organizations must evolve through the maturity model. Phases cannot be skipped over, or otherwise this creates holes in the organization where there are opportunities for failure. Let's explore each of the 5 phases. In the embryonic phase, there's recognition that project management may be helpful to the organization and the products and services it creates. However, the follow-through on that recognition is very weak. The signs of an organization in this state are sporadic project success, primarily driven by the skill level and determination of the project manager or the line manager or functional manager. There's no evidence of a standard methodology being used to help manage the projects. There are few actual project managers, or the title is thrown about without clear specific meaning. You might wonder, can an organization in the embryonic phase actually deliver a successful project? Well, the answer is yes, but it is more heroic in nature, driven by the skill and determination of a small few. The executive management acceptance phase. There is recognition of the importance of project management at the executive level of the organization. This typically is from the president or the C-level executive, such as a chief executive officer, a chief information officer, chief financial officer, chief operating officer. And within this organization, this could also come from vice presidents as well. The signs of an organization in this state are that project managers are assigned to projects, but they may not be full-time, as they may also have other responsibilities within the organization. There are typically some reporting processes in place to give project visibility and progress to the executives on a regular basis. The executives have started discussing project management as a part of the business strategy and plan. However, this support may not be visible at all levels of management. There could be very visible signs of resistance by employees and line managers or functional managers to adopting project management or taking it seriously as something important to the organization and their success. The value of project management is not widely adopted. In the line management acceptance phase, there is active, visible involvement of project management and its importance and value to the organization by all levels of management, including the executives. The signs of an organization in this state are that project managers are assigned to most, if not all, projects in the organization, and they are full-time. The business actively supports project management training, not just for project managers, but for all employees within the organization, so that everyone from the top level executive to all the employees understand the importance of project management and their roles and responsibilities to ensure project success. The success of projects is shared by all levels within the organization. And in this phase, there is some form of a project management methodology being used, although it may not be standard or formalized as of yet. In the growth phase, there's broad use of a standard and formalized project management methodology that follows industry standard practices and that is well understood and well known by all employees, all managers, and all executives. All levels of the organization are engaged in the project and understand the nuances of what makes projects successful and how to best interact with the process. There is alignment of project management in the organization's business plan and goals. Project managers are full-time and have received detailed training on project management and leadership concepts. There are integrated tools to provide visibility and transparency into project status and progress from all levels within the organization, and open discussion about issues, risks, and areas where support is needed for successful delivery. In the maturity phase, there is wide use and acceptance of a best-in-class project management methodology, supported by inclusion of best practices and lessons learned from past projects within the organization. The organization has a clear track record of success in delivering projects and is using integrated process and technology methods to deliver projects. Project managers are full-time, have received advanced level training on project management concepts and leadership skills, and there is a defined career path for project managers within the organization. There's clear alignment of project management to the company's strategy, business plan, and objectives. There are investment dollars available to improve the methods and the tools used by the organization to effectively and efficiently deliver projects. There's clear alignment to the selection of projects within the achieving of organizational goals. Projects are viewed holistically as to how they will drive organizational goals and meet client commitments, and are managed in an integrated fashion across the organization, utilizing portfolio management. Organizations that are striving to deliver projects successfully must embrace this maturity model from an organizational perspective. There are many organizations that never mature past executive or line management acceptance. They typically have some success with projects, mostly driven by the highly skilled project managers. They also have a higher rate of project failures, or projects that don't meet stakeholder expectations. The embodiment of project management and all the facets required for project success occurs when organizations arrive at the end of the growth phase and into the maturity phase.